Well, we're out again, guys. A Web dog there, say Web. Joshy boy over there, say Josh. He's busy a minute, guys. Down at the windy side of the beach. Just got a one rod set up for a minute, guys. Webby's on a tour. Gonna get the other one set up now. Lovely crystal clear water, lovely swell. 7 o'clock in the morning. Let's hope you have a good sesh today. Bring you back in a bit. I'm not sure, guys. I think I might have a bit of action there. Good Joshy boy in the sandwiches over there. On a bit of a whinge today, Web, wasn't he? Yeah. No pork pies and Asda's, guys. He's devastated. No pork pies, no fish today, Web.
You're all the way down.
Come on, fishies. Joshy boy, be say hello, Josh. We haven't said hello yet.
Hello.
That's a windy boy, isn't it? Windy. It is blowing a gale, yeah. Hopefully. Plenty of anglers down the beach, guys. Both sides. Not so many the other way. Water's absolutely stunning. Come on. Web dog going for the chuck. Splash. Change a bit, I think, guys. Shoot a bit. But Webby had a bit of action then. Oh, he's gone. The boys are hungry now, time for breakfast. Time for a bit of a cook up now, guys. The boys are bloody starving ya. We got classic sausages, bacon, bread rolls, and Josh's food bag over there as well, guys. Woo. Get it on. Sizzling away nicely there, Red Dog.
Huh?
I said sizzling away nicely.
Smell it over there, but
Joshy boy's tongue's hanging out down there. Think Webby might be in there, guys? Nope. Not this time. Weed fish, is it? First one of the day. Bacon's in. That's the bit Mick Oil will like. Webby buttering his roll there. Josh is happy face.
smelling the bacon.
Come along now. Alright guys, sausage and bacon roll on Chesil Beach.
Won't be able to get my mouth round that.
That'll be the biggest bite of the day now. Enjoy. Well, we're all fed and watered now. Let's hope the fish come on now and they want breakfast. Oh, Web Dog's in there, guys. You got the old lesser spotted carrier bag. That's all we've had so far. Oh, and a weed fish. Couple of little rattles on Web Dog's rod then, guys. Saucy boy over there. Just move the rods down, guys, to the next ledge. Absolutely stunning place, guys. Stunning. Yeah. Well, just shifted base camp, boys. Down a couple of meters. The wind is annoying today. Lovely swell out there, look. Web Dog. In over there? Another carrier bag there. Ooh. Got ya. Give it a little scout about in the wind, guys. This is where we are. Base camp. Georgie boys ugly mug, still eating bacon.
Oh, well, that's hot. Looks like he's a well, John Steve Trevor. Like, last name. dog like much. And then you said blue eyes. You got blue eyes. I'm going to be in that something.
Well, still bugger all to report. Well, still bugger all to report, guys. Josh's ugly mug there.
I'm broken both sides.
Yep, that's the reason. Gutted he was, whinging all the way down, yeah? Only Web. Well, we haven't seen anything coming out yet, guys. No one down our side of us has pulled anything out. It's nearly low water, and then we're going to fish it back up, guys. Man down over there, Joshy boy's rod stand just went flying. Webby is just about to go. Web dog going for the full prawn, guys, on his place rig this time. Determined to get one out now.
Aye.
Go for it, buddy. Out she goes. Give a little scout about from the top, guys. Boys down there. Try and keep out of the wind. Stunning place. Till it turns. Webby in a right fuffle down there, guys. Crossed over his line 3 times. Sorted now. Right, let's get it squared out. Baits as always, guys, off our buddy Tony from the tackler. Cheers, Tone. Not working today, your boys, is it? No, still nothing to report, guys. Bugger all happening. Adrian, you're lucky you didn't come down, mate. And you, Tony. Fingers crossed for the next couple of hours. Anyway.
Dog, yeah.
There's a dog on the beach. Well, Joshy boys had enough, guys. Packed up.
Hard session, hey guys.
Really hard session. It's a bloody wind, it is. Me and Webby still going strong, though, we boy. don't know if you can see this, guys. There's a fella there attempting to go out in a fucking kayak in our flowing swell. Must be off his chops. Well, me and Webby are down to one rod each now, guys. Can't believe our kayaker is still getting ready. He's getting his wetsuit on. Nutter. Let's see if he does make it in the water now, guys. Well, he's going for it, guys. He's in the water. Oh, he's on there too, boy.
Done that before. I'm feeling sick.
I know. And if a big one will take him out now. Whew. Well, that's us done, guys.
Hard day today.
Hard day, totally wind blown. Hell of a session. But we give it a go. I don't think it's going to be much of a video because I kept forgetting to press the record button, but there you go. So, as always, guys, we haven't left a trace of evidence of us being here in this beautiful Chesil Beach on this lovely windy day.
Thank you to all the subscribers for watching every week.
Yeah, cheers, guys. We just hit the 500 last week, so thank you very much. And till next time, guys. See you later.
See you later.
It is.